This is a quick screencast to demonstrate how to share your screen so that others can see what it is that you want them to see. So when you're in the Google Chrome environment, you will see in the bottom right-hand corner there's a button that says Present Now. Notice that that comes when I move my mouse and this bottom panel pops up. So I click on Present Now, and it asks me what I want to present. I'm going to click on my entire screen, and then up pops this dialog box in the middle. I must click on that dialog box, and then the gray button that says Share becomes blue. That then allows me to share my screen. The other person who is on the call, or the groups of people that are on the call, will now see what it is that you are sharing. So here I'm going to click in and see my Mesa Community College Canvas course. I'm going to click and see my calendar. All of those things are viewable now by the other person or the other people who are viewing your screen. And when you're done sharing and you want to relinquish control, then you simply go to the button here where it says Stop Sharing, click Stop Sharing, and you are back to the original screen where you have both people or the groups of people interacting.